Welcome to another video here in the channel, Argiris Trader. We are here to provide you with all the information. That's why we are going directly to the charts. Finally, we end up to the position that we would like. This is the best scenario that we see right now existing for the Bitcoin price and the crypto space. Finally, we end up to the point of our conclusion. We know now what's going on. And of course, before we are gonna start, like, subscribe, press the bell button for all the notifications so you get all this very nice and fresh content. And the reason why we are here, we are standing, is because you have, of course, to press this like button, guys. Press this like button, subscribe to the channel. We have to grow. The biggest deal by far is the fact that you should go directly and press here to the top altcoin portfolio and get it. This is your opportunity for 2026 and 2028. You can't resist to what I've built with my whole team. You can't resist. This is the best thing that ever happened for amateur traders and amateur investors. This is the best thing that you can see by far. 3 buying prices for 23 altcoins that we have noticed months ago. We worked with this months ago, and now we deliver this whole plan for everyone. A month ago, everyone was surprised. They would say, how is it possible that we are gonna have this kind of prices today? They say, I can't believe it, are we gonna go even lower? So now you can go directly and get it. You don't have so many opportunities because this soon is gonna go down. I don't know when, but it's gonna go down. So you can go directly as well. You can go trade with us in BitUnix, where I'm actually losing right now. I'm losing $2,200. And yes, this is like at 77,000, I have a price target here, plus the fact that I start actually putting my buys over here. You can see buy. Okay, so yeah, these kind of trades, I all the time treat them very good, and I technically never lose. Okay, I never lose. And if I'm gonna lose, it's gonna be like just a small amount. I just do this for the challenge so you can see how this price is gonna work out, and eventually I'm gonna end up with profit. However, let's go directly here and of course check what's going on. Let's go directly here. I just want to be full transparent, guys, because many people, they say, oh yeah, I'm entering in trades and everything is going well and I'm just making money all the time. This doesn't exist. Okay, you can't make money always. You can't make money always. You have to be always in a position that you know what you are losing. And for me, $3,000 to $5,000 is not actually a problem in case I'm losing, because this is not even close to 1% of my capital, so I don't care. Trading capital, I mean. We see the falling wedges going on here. For once more, we have the biggest falling wedge of this bull cycle, bear market. Okay, bull cycle, bear market, bull cycle, bear market. So this is the whole thing, what's going on right now. Massively oversold. 2-week chart, massively oversold. How we can realize this? Look at this, guys. For first time in the history, we are below the level of this RSI on 2-week chart. This never happened before. This is crazy. We are gonna have a bounce very soon, as far as I see. Every hope I have, if I'm wrong, then I stop, because on my weekly chart we have seen the bounce perfectly. We have noticed this also in previous videos. We have said that this is a monumentally crazy level to watch, and this is what happened for once more. This is insane. This is insane. Just came to bounce exactly, and from now we are waiting for a bounce and a small reversal. I'm not saying big reversal, small reversal, because I said so far that this is not the final bottom. And I said this thing as well when we came to the position to deliver the top altcoin portfolio. Okay, I'm not gonna show the top altcoin portfolio. You can go and get it so you can see every work that happened behind. Okay, so now let's go here. You see the bounce. 3 bounces here. Okay, so this is the bigger time frame, the biggest side that we see right now. As far as you can see also on the monthly chart, we are in the bottom line. Look at this Williams R. This is mental. I mean, we haven't been more like oversold maybe in the history in many of the time frames. Okay, like the previous one that we've seen here on the weekly chart and 2-week chart. This is crazy. We have never seen so low prices in RSI. So the price we have seen so far dropping as well, we have to do this kind of calculations as well so we can see what's going on, is 52%, and we came and we visit this kind of level. Here it was like 77%, it was even bigger. And here is where the whole thing starts. You see, what is the thing that I should notice so far is what what is going on regarding Fibonacci levels? When we see this kind of dumps, like this dump, then we see where the price is reaching the level here is the 0.618, okay? Clear. So this is one chance of the big drop. Second drop, the level that we are watching reaching right here is the 0.5. Okay, 0.618, 0.5. Let's go here. After we have seen this drop, that is the biggest drop as well, we reach again the 0.618. After we have seen this drop, we have reached the level 0.618, 0.5, 0.32. So where is our target going? What's going on here? Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is get directly to go back in here and see where the price is going to reverse. So I'm gonna close and I'm gonna open again my Fibonacci level so we can have a clear sample of where the price is going in case I repeat, this is the low. Okay, so the price target, it's 72,000 level, and the next is 0.5 at the 76,000 level. This is the shorting freaking area in case Bitcoin wants to drop further towards the downside. Okay, look at this. It's coming exactly to the point of the highs and the lows and the break towards the downside. So our confirmation should happen at these levels in case this thing is going to drop further. This is how you have a clear explanation, a normal explanation, and normal analysis of what's going on right here. I am pumped. I am pumped to see what's going on at this place. Why? Because I have a clear sign. Not only a clear sign of where we are going to confirm, but a clear sign to where we can also drop. So in case we are going to the 0.618, what I see as a target price together with the 0.5 is of course a 1.272, 52,569. Clear freaking explanation. I'm not sitting down to pep talk. In case we are going to the 0.382, then our clear sign is the 1.618, 44,432. It just explains everything. Who is sitting down to explain to you price targets exactly as they should be? Who is sitting down to do something like this? No one. And yes, that's why I am pumped, because I'm explaining to you the full trend months ago. Months ago from here, I was explaining since January. I said we are breaking the biggest structure, and also here I told you that we are breaking the biggest structure. Be careful. I have had so many freaking videos explaining all of this stuff. We dropped here, we broke the next, and yes, this is what's going on. When we reach down here, I said that at 98 to 100, I am shorting this freaking place. This is what happened. We made profits, okay? And we make profits. We are making profits. Now I am in a loss, but I'm not afraid because I know where the market is going, okay? And I also have capital to support in case we are even dropping to the 52,000. I don't care. I know how to handle this thing, okay? So there's no problem. That's why you learn risk management. That's why you are getting educated. That's why you are working with all of this stuff. I'm not selling you anything. I don't care. Even the top altcoin portfolio is just an opportunity for you. I don't care if you are gonna get the machine gun for $5. I don't care, because this is what is happening. The price that is for the top altcoin portfolio down here that you can get is just so cheap. I don't care of making money from that. It's for you. It's for your future. And in case you are an amateur, to see what's going on and how I proceed to this kind of places in the market. And this is announced a month ago. So this is mental. This is monumental. Okay. So we are going directly here to see what's going on the daily chart. I'm going to open, of course, the CPR lines, so we have a clear sample of the CPR lines, that they are very important. We reached the second level. I said this in the previous videos. I said this. I said in case we are breaking this, we go directly to the 61K. Go back and watch. Go back and watch. Watch all the videos so you can understand what's going on right there. I am full transparent. I'm telling you when I'm losing. I'm telling you when I'm winning. And that's all. That's all. That's all. Look at the next places. Next place is coming to the 47,000. Is the previous lows down here at the 49. However, this is my price targets. 52,000 and the next one 44,000. This is the two things that I'm checking right now. Why? Because I don't see this hair coming very soon. Okay. Also, as far as you can understand, I said about the 42,000 and the 46,000. This is not even the neutral side. So this means that even if we are going to reverse, I don't see the neutral side coming anymore. I just see this coming over here. In case it's gonna come here, you're very welcome. However, I'm going to take profits all the way up. For once more, we are gonna make some money. I don't care even making money from this thing. This move is actually insane. And yes, we are gonna make some money. I don't mind how is this going to go. I'm just gonna take some profits and leave this to reach my price targets without any kind of problem. So I am in profitability already. I know this already. If I'm not in profitability, I'm just gonna end up with break even. I know when to close, so I'm break even. This is the matter of knowledge. And you have to learn this. You have to go subscribe, press the bell button for all notifications, because there is no other place that you can find so sure answers regarding to what is going on regarding the analysis, and no one is pointing targets that they are coming exactly as we said. Am I sure about this? In many cases, yes. Not all the time, but in many cases, yes. So we are doing the best that we can, and we are taking care of the risk management. And I'm explaining to you why risk management is important, and I'm pointing to you how I'm trading. So you are very welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget like, subscribe, press the bell button for the notifications. Don't forget you can trade with us in BitUnix with the link below. Down here, of course, you can have your explanation and of course get 20% bonus. Very nice, and the best liquidity provider right now regarding the exchangers. Thanks so much. Bye bye.